Here's an interesting challenge. We have to calculate the total amount of points. Our football team finished this championship. The result of each match looks like X colon Y. Results of all matches are recorded in the collection, in an array apparently here, and we have, an array of strings which follow this pattern of X colon Y. Write a function that takes such collection and counts the points of our team in the championship. Rules for counting points for each match are: if X is bigger than Y, then we have 3 points. If it's less, then we have 0 points, and if it's equal, then we have 1 point. So basically, we want to loop over this array of strings. We want to get the numbers out of the strings. So this will be X, this will be Y, this will be X, this will be Y. And we need to compare them. And at the end, we need to return, a total amount or a sum. Well, let's call it totals. Let's start with that. So we have a total of 0. So the games here, it's an array. So we can loop over games.for each. Let's start with that, and we have each game, right? And now basically this game will be the string 1 colon 0. So we can get out the X and a Y by using destructuring, array destructuring. So we can do this game.split, and we want to split it by the colon. Now this will convert the string 1 colon, so 1 colon 0 will convert it to an array with 1 and 0. But keep in mind that these are still strings. Maybe we should convert it to numbers here, and we can do that by using the map number here. So we map over these and we convert them to numbers. Alright, so we pretty much have X and Y now, and we want to do these conditions. So if X bigger than Y, then, the total should be plus equals 3. Alright, else if we have X less than Y, basically this will be the default condition, so we don't need this. Else if, alright, we want to check if it's equals. If that's the case, then total plus equals 1, and otherwise we'll have 0. Alright, let's return total and see if we did it. And we did. Awesome. Now I will think about the way to do this without using, a variable here for each and a total. It looks like we could achieve the same thing using the reduce method, because, the reduce method accumulates something in a variable. So let's remove this. Actually, let's keep this here. First, let's copy it, obviously. And let's keep this here so we can just see it. And here we're going to do it again. We won't need the total. We won't need the return here because we're going to return it here like that. If I could type. Alright, and now here we were going to use reduce. Reduce takes in a callback function which gets the accumulator, and in our case we'll get the game. And here at the end, this accumulator we're going to use as a total. And we actually need to return it here. So return accumulator. So this acts now as the total up here. We have the accumulator. Every loop we're going to add to the accumulator and return it. And we can even say that by default it should be 0. So let's see if this works now. Alright, look at that. Pretty nice. I think there could be a way to simplify this even more using simplify. When I say simplify, it won't actually make it look better and cleaner. It's just a way to, make the code look smarter, which in a lot of cases is not the best way to do it. So I guess we could leave it like this, or you can use this approach, whatever you like. but I always like to play around with array methods just to see what their power is. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!